Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the shape of an object. Type class mything constructor data this. Data equals data method. ****. Once done, instantiate with new mything value to create a real instance. Make sure to prefer methods on the prototype. Defining them inside the class keeps memory usage low and behavior shared. You also can declare static helpers with static keyword for utilities that belong to the class itself rather than instances. Next, you add complexity. Extend an existing class with class child, extends parent and call super args in the constructor before using this. This ensures parent initialization runs and properties are set. Once done, override methods to change behavior. Use super method to reuse parent logic. Also mix instance getters /setters for computed properties and use private fields #name for encapsulation. Make sure to balance design. Inheritance for is a relationships, composition for has a relationships. Finally, you complete the task by testing and stabilizing your classes. Create instances, call methods, and write small unit tests to verify state transitions. When packaging, export classes with export default or named exports and import where needed. If things go wrong, inspect stack traces and reproduce the issue with a minimal example. Often a missing supercall or binding this incorrectly is the culprit. Make sure to bind event handlers or use arrow methods to preserve this when passing methods around.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.